Okay.
Like we are also working on the CSR, na? Corporate Social
Okay.
Responsibility.
So
Business is a media basically. It is not the objective. It is a media to serve the society, to serve the nation, to serve the people especially. So those business executives, those who have not thought of the only ROI, return on investment, but they thought of it is what is giving them the satisfaction out of it. Then we find sometimes creativity is the one value which gives them satisfaction. So business is not restricted as an activity to earn the money, but it is for the fulfillment of the need of the creativity satisfaction. So how to satisfy that I have created something, I have generated something. So if we take example of Dhirubhai Ambani, if we take example of Ratan Tata, if we take example of Steve Jobs, so everywhere we find they have not worked for money basically. They have worked for the self-satisfaction, self-esteem, self-realization. So I think it is the
but sir,
purpose.
profit is also important for companies. So what is the limit that
Yes.
about that profit?
Yes, definitely it will vary from individual to individual, right? So whenever we talk about the what is the profit, first we have to define the profit. What is the profit? Profit is that whatever you have made the investment, you are getting the enough return so that you can continue with your business and fulfill the needs. Now again, the needs are to be defined. If my need is that is 100 crore, so what is the profit for me? Till I do not earn the 100 crore, it will not be profit. But is it rational? Is it logical? Or if I have invested 100 crore and I want 10% profit, 15% profit, 20% profit, then whatever the profit I earn, what will be the investment again in that profit, that is more important. If I earn money and I keep in the bank, I earn money and generate another property and another. So it is the non-ending process basically. So nobody can define the profit. It varies from individual to individual according to me. But what is important is whatever you earn, how do you share it? That is very much. We can understand by a simple example. When you run a family, head of the family, he earns a particular amount money, right? Now how he shares that money, how he makes the investment of money. So profit, defining the profit is very difficult. But one thing which I understand is the sharing of profit is more important than only earning the profit. So therefore I do not ignore the profit's importance, but it is not the ultimate goal what I want.